Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the very important and most movable synovial joint called ball and socket joint. Why it is called ball and socket joint? One is the socket and other is the ball-like structure. Moving left to right. One bone is like a ball and other bone is like a socket. In socket, ball is moving in all the direction. It is the most movable joint in our body as it is the freely movable in all the direction, so it is called multi-axial bone. Multi-axial means movement in all the direction. A joint in which rounded surface of a bone moves within a depression on another bone, allowing greater freedom of movement than any other kind of joint. Now we have already learned made up of socket and bone. Can you feel in our body where this socket and ball structure is present? It is present in your shoulder. Can you feel this movement in your legs, also in the pelvic girdle? And between a leg, a ball and socket movement is there. You can move your leg in all the direction. That's why it is multi-axial and ball and socket joint. Your hand is attached to the shoulder through the ball and socket joint. So that's all about the ball and socket joint. Thank you.